Ever chased an entry and felt that instant ugh in your stomach? I have. I did it on ATON, and I still walked away with a 38% gain. The difference? I knew exactly what I was chasing. It was structure, not emotion. And I'll show you how I turned a small $830 reset balance into a $306 win by trusting predictive price action instead of panic. A lot of traders are chasing FOMO, but I'm showing you what happens when you wait for the move to come to you. Hey traders, welcome back to the Small Account Truck Challenge. This is the asymmetric compounding strategy where I help day traders just like you grow a small account from just $500 and build it all the way up to a brand new high-end adventure truck, all paid for with real day trading profits. And the challenge is we're going to do it with just one trade a day, and we're going to try to reach our goal in less than 4 months. We're going to do it with discipline, with precision, and a lot of serious upside. So let's break down today's price action so you can see how clean this trade really was. Let's walk through this one together, and I'll admit right up front, I chased this entry, but price had just reclaimed every major EMA, the 9, the 34, the 50, and the 200, and it held above them all. That's not randomness. That's confirmation. I entered at $13.20 with my stop tucked just below this $12.80 Discord institutional level. That level had to hold, or I was out. Now watch this area on the chart. This is where most traders bail. Price pulled back all the way to my entry, and then it chopped sideways for over 70 minutes. And that tested my patience, but price never closed below the $12.80 stop loss. That told me strength was still there. Instead of reacting emotionally, I let structure speak to me. Each time price respected that level, it confirmed underlying resilience. When momentum rotated back through those mid-EMAs, I started trailing my stops up. And then price finally tapped $17.10, which was this Discord level. And then it stretched up to $18.15, which was my pre-planned exit. And why? Because of this initial move over here. These wicks over here. My exit was based on the retest of these high wicks over here. That was my pre-planned exit. That trade, even though it was choppy and long, it paid me $4.95 per share, which is a 38% gain. And it all came from a tiny $830 working balance. You don't have to predict emotion. You only have to read behavior. Structure reveals what's coming long before the crowd catches on. Most of the big YouTube educators teach people to chase green candles, but momentum alone means nothing without structure. The real edge is in understanding where institutions reset control. That's what these Discord institutional levels give us, and that's what the EMA reclaim represents. When you combine that with asymmetric risk management, you're no longer reacting, you're anticipating. That's the foundation of predictive trading, and it's why my trades look calm while others are in chaos. Did you know over 70% of successful small account moves start within minutes of a complete EMA reclaim? It's not magic. It's the moment control flips back to the buyers. And that's why I watch reclaim behavior like a hawk. It's where predictive price action starts working in real time. If you've ever punished yourself for chasing, I want you to stop doing that right now. The problem isn't the chase. The problem is not understanding what you're chasing. Here's something actionable that you can do. When price proves it can hold above structure for 2 solid candles after a reclaim, that's not FOMO, that's confirmation. Practice recognizing that difference. It's how you build confidence that doesn't depend on luck. So what key takeaways can we take from today's trade? Predictive levels map future behavior, not reaction zones. EMA reclaims mark institutional reset points. Tight stops below structure create asymmetric confidence. Sitting through chop isn't weakness, it's awareness. Skill scales account, size doesn't. Okay, just a quick reminder, I reset my daily working capital yesterday to just $500. When I started today, it was up to $830. And with that $830, I made an additional $306.90 today. That's a 38% gain. And that pushes our truck fund to $138,797.05. We're now about 92.5% of the way to our $150,000 truck goal. Every trade is proof that discipline compounds faster than size ever will. If you're learning from these breakdown videos, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell notification icon so that you don't miss tomorrow's free educational video. And remember, my mentoring program is still discounted during this truck challenge, but that special discount ends when this challenge is over. So if you want to master predictive price action while this discount is still available, this is your moment. So guys, if you're serious about leveling up your trading game and achieving a 95% win rate, join us today at MomentumStockTraders.com. Here's what you get when you join, and it's everything I'm using every single day in each of my trades. You get live trade guidance, and I walk you through every single trade every single day. You get our custom scanners and charting tools, the same ones I use to spot the setups before they make that big move. You get access to our amazing private Discord channel, and this is where the action happens. You get AI-assisted alerts so that you're never left guessing when things are heating up. You get those key institutional levels, not the retail stuff. These are real levels where the institutions position their trades, and you'll get full breakdowns of each trade at the end of every day so that you can actually learn why a trade worked. But best of all, you're going to get real-time one-on-one mentoring from me personally and be a part of a fantastic community of really serious day traders. So who is this for? This is for any trader who is serious about leveling up their game. It's for struggling traders who've been struggling with profits that are too small and losses that are too big, or struggling with inconsistency in their win rate. So if that's you, this is the place for you, because this program solves all of those struggles. This is not a copy my trades service. It's real education. It's real trade guidance. It's a real platform to help you grow your skills and your edge. And guys, here's a brutal fact. If you're copy trading, you're just reacting to somebody else's click. That's emotional trading. That's not a strategy. You're already late for the game. What's our edge? Insider chart reading skills that actually fuels the action, not reaction. Our edge is profit, not panic. Our community inside is crushing it every single day. So if you're ready to stop second-guessing yourself and start trading with clarity, join us at MomentumStockTraders.com right now. And thanks so much for hanging out with me for a few minutes today. I hope you found this video helpful. And remember, trade smart, trade patient, and trade focused. And let's grow those small accounts together. And I'll see you in the next video.